Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll take an exclusive first look at the all-new 2026 Toyota Corolla. This is a model that sets new standards for design, technology, and performance. The 2026 Corolla showcases a stunning front fascia, combining elegance and functionality. Toyota has introduced sharper LED headlights and a redesigned grille that exudes sophistication and aerodynamics. At the rear, Toyota has truly stepped up its game. With sleek LED tail lamps stretching across the back and a sporty rear diffuser, the Corolla combines utility with a modern, aggressive touch. The sporty rear diffuser and dual exhaust tips further emphasize its athletic intent, while the subtle spoiler adds a touch of aerodynamic efficiency. Inside, the 2026 Corolla showcases a luxurious and tech-centric cabin. High-quality materials like leather and soft-touch plastics dominate the dashboard and door panels, while a two-tone color scheme enhances the premium feel. The 2026 Corolla is expected to feature multiple engine options, catering to a broad spectrum of drivers. A hybrid powertrain is likely to remain a key offering, focusing on fuel efficiency and reduced emissions. For those seeking performance, a turbocharged option may provide a boost in power and acceleration. Toyota's TNGA platform ensures a smoother ride, better handling, and overall improved driving dynamics. While Toyota has not officially announced pricing, the 2026 Corolla is expected to remain competitive within the compact sedan segment. Based on previous trends and added features, the pricing is likely to start at approximately $22,000 for the base model.